Hi, my dear friends. Here we are going to see how to install Git. To install Git, I'm opening Google and searching Git for Windows. So here we can see gitforwindows.org website. Click on that. Here you can see the download. Click on the download. Now download is completed. Click on the exe file downloaded. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Go with the default options. Git from command line, also from third-party softwares. Use the OpenSSL library. Go with that. Check out Windows style commit, Unix style line ending. Go with that default. Go with the default option. I'm using the default option. Go with the default option and click on install. Click on next. Go to my computer. If you right click, if you're getting git bash and git GUI here, git got installed. So click on git bash. You will get a command prompt like this. This is a terminal where you can execute git commands. We'll be doing different git operations in upcoming sessions. I hope you got some idea about how to install Git in your Windows OS. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching this.